Hello and welcome to the channel. This is how to make money under 30 years old. There are various ways to make money under 30. Here are some ideas. Start a side business. Identify a market need or your passion and start a side business. It could be freelancing, offering specialized services, selling products online, or starting a small local business. Invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Educate yourself about investing and consider allocating a portion of your savings to stocks or cryptocurrencies. Take the time to research and understand the risks and potential returns associated with different investment options. Develop marketable skills. Focus on developing skills that are in high demand in the job market. This could include coding, digital marketing, graphic design, content writing, or project management. Upskilling can lead to higher-paying job opportunities or freelance work. Monetize your passion. If you have a hobby or talent, explore ways to monetize it. For example, if you enjoy photography, consider offering photography services or selling your photos online. If you're passionate about fitness, become a certified personal trainer or start an online coaching business. Create and monetize content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to share your expertise or interests. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Rent out your assets. If you have unused space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb. You can also rent out your car, camera equipment, or other assets through sharing economy platforms. Freelance or remote work. Take advantage of the gig economy and offer your skills as a freelancer. Many companies hire freelancers for tasks like writing, graphic design, social media management, and virtual assistants. Look for remote work opportunities that provide flexibility and allow you to work from anywhere. Participate in the sharing economy. Sign up as a driver for ride-sharing platforms like Uber or Lyft, or become a delivery driver for services like DoorDash or Postmates. These platforms offer flexibility and the potential to earn money on your own schedule. Invest in real estate. Explore real estate investment opportunities such as rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate can provide passive income and long-term wealth accumulation. Start an online store. Set up an e-commerce store to sell products. You can source products from wholesalers or use dropshipping to fulfill customer orders. Focus on niche markets or unique products to stand out from the competition. Remember, success in making money under 30 requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Be open to new opportunities, seek guidance from mentors or experts in your chosen field, and be willing to take calculated risks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.